Hello everyone, this is my review of the Melissa Portable Heated Seat Cushion. It folds easily, doesn't take up much space, and I can carry it from my home office to the car, stadium seating, or even outdoor events without any hassle. What really sold me is the heat control. It has 3 heat settings, so I can choose a gentle warmth or turn it up when it's really cold. The heat spreads evenly across the seat and feels comforting, not too intense or spotty. I also like that it's USB powered. I can plug it into a power bank, laptop, or car adapter, which makes it super flexible. I don't have to be near a wall outlet for it to work. Comfort-wise, it adds just enough padding to make hard chairs more comfortable without feeling bulky. I've used it at my desk, on bleachers, and even on camping chairs, and it makes a noticeable difference. It's meant for warmth and light cushioning, not as a thick orthopedic seat. Also, since it's USB powered, you'll want a good power source for prolonged use. Overall, if you want a portable, easy-to-use, heated seat for cold days at home, work, or outdoors, this heated cushion is a great option. I highly recommend it, and I hope this helps.